Okay, example 2. So we have to determine the potential difference and the charges on each of these capacitors. Okay, so I've extracted the diagram. So let us firstly try to simplify this circuit. Okay, let's simplify this circuit. So we have, this is Cx, and then we are gonna simplify capacitor Y and Z, and this is our battery. Okay, so we have this. This is after kena simplify lah. Okay, I don't like this, so this is somewhere around here. Okay, boleh lah tu. Okay, so this is what we are trying to achieve. So this is Cx, this is gonna be Cyz, and then this is our supply voltage. This is our supply voltage. We will call it as Vs, tapi V je lah, V12 volt. Okay, right, so we are gonna try to calculate this. We are gonna try to solve this. So firstly, we have to calculate the effective capacitance of Cyz. So this is a parallel circuit. So for parallel circuit, we are just gonna add them together. So you're gonna get 6 plus 6 is 12, right? Oh, okay, so my example, okay, it's okay. So this is gonna be 12 microfarad, and then we are gonna calculate this two pula. This is gonna be something like this. Sorry if this is too slow, but you can always speed it up in YouTube. So we'll get something like this. Okay, so we are trying to achieve this by calculating all that is needed. Okay, so the effective capacitance is gonna be, this is in series, so we are just gonna use the series circuit punya formula. So 1 over 6 plus dengan 1 over 12 negative 6. Okay, negative 1. So you will get let me check, I'm not gonna recalculate that. So you're gonna get 4 times 10. Yeah. Where is it? Okay, 4 times 10. Okay, so you're gonna get 4 times 10 negative 6 farad. This one is from my last year punya video. Notes. I'm just redoing it for you guys. Okay, so this is the effective capacitance for the whole circuit here, for the circuit. Okay, so from here we can then find the total charge. Okay, so the total charge is just C effective times dengan the supply voltage. So you should get, let me get my calculator. Where is my calculator? Okay, so it is 4 times dengan 12 volt. So you should get the total charge to be equal to 4.8 times 10 negative 5 coulomb. Alright, so for total charge. Okay, so for total charge untuk series circuit, for series circuit, the charge will be equal. I'm gonna write this in terms of QX equal to dengan QYZ. Okay, so for series circuit, the magnitude of charge is the same. Remember, it is from this node here. Okay, so it's gonna be equal. So we already have for capacitor X. Okay, so for capacitor X, QX is equal to Q, which is equal to Q total, which is 4.8 times 10 to the power of negative 5 coulomb. Okay, so we have the charge untuk capacitor X. Now we have to calculate the potential difference for capacitor X. So we are going to use QX over CX. Okay, so this one you should get, let me calculate, negative 5, 4.8, negative 5. This is 5, huh? Divide by dengan 6 micro. You should get 8 volt untuk across capacitor X. Okay, right, so we've did this one. Now we are gonna focus on CY and CZ. We are gonna focus on this capacitor lagi. Okay, now for parallel circuit pula, the voltage of capacitor Y should be equal to capacitor Z. Okay, alright, so in order for us to calculate that, we can actually just label VY here. Okay, because we can then use this formula, VT is equal to VX plus dengan VY. Okay, so dari sini kita sudah boleh dapat the answer for VY. Okay, ini dapat dari mana? Ini dapat untuk for series circuit. Okay, ini for series circuit. Okay, boleh, jangan confuse. So 12 equal to VX is berapa tadi? 8 tambah VY. So VY is just 12 minus 8, which is equal to 4 volt. Okay, boleh. So sekarang kita ada both VY and VZ lah, which is also equal to 4 volt. Okay, so now we can calculate the charge magnitude. So for capacitor Y, QY is just the product of the capacitance of Y and the potential difference. Okay, so this one you should get 4 times dengan 6 micro, which is equal to 2.4 times 10 negative 5 farad. And then for QZ, CZ, VZ, which is also gonna be equal the same lah, 10 negative 5 farad. Okay, so that is a long process, but it's actually very simple if you understand the concept. Okay, so the main concept that you have to understand from this is untuk series circuit, dia punya magnitude of the charge is equal, and then the potential difference is the addition of all 3 capacitors ataupun berapa capacitors lah. Okay, and then untuk parallel pula dia punya potential difference yang equal. Okay, so if you are able to understand the concept here, you can solve any problems relating to this type of questions lah. Okay, alright. Okay, so that is the solution for example number 2.